Okay, so my newer vlogs here. As you can see, there is a deer literally outside the window. Good sized deer. That's one that's been in my garden eating birdseed. I've been going through a lot of birdseed now. Now, obviously, we know why. Look, the bird's trying to get to the birdseed. Hey, look at that. And that's. Did you get a picture of him? No, he's still there. He's looking at me. Get a picture of him, honey. Alright, I'm going to try to get close to the window. We need to put those up higher, babes. He's like, yo, what's up? Just sitting here chilling. Eating some birdseed, yo.
It's probably the one that,
It's the same one. It's like a yearling. It's just barely off its spots. You can kind of see it's, I don't know if it's spots or ticks on it.
you can still see some of the spots, though.
Yeah, it's just a little one. Go away! Open up the back door. Scare him off. Go on, get out of here, dear.
Get out of here! Get!
Yeah, you're scaring it, honey.
Really?
It, it's not even running. It's kind of doop doop doop. That's why you don't have any birdseed left. He's still in the backyard. So Julie's chasing after. That's my wife chasing after the damn deer. Still standing there. Oh, hey, what's going on? And she's taking pictures of him. Oh, look at that. Going right towards your garden. Now, if it was bow season, that sucker would be in my freezer right now. Log out.